You a boss, I'm a boss too. Little baby, when I pull it, what you gon' do? No L's, all dubs, what I'm used to. Quick, can't get this bag, just me.
Hey guys, welcome back to Ratones on the
Hustle!
So today guys, we're doing a very exciting video. I was gonna say test. Well, it is a taste test. So as you guys see here, we have 4 beautiful smoothies that I prepared. I searched up some beautiful recipes and I decided to choose these healthy 4 smoothies so we can do a taste test on them. We're gonna review them.
I'm really excited.
Tell you guys which one is our favorite, but also there's a twist. They have no idea what I put inside of them. So
we have to guess.
As I show them to you, I will be telling you guys what's inside of them so you guys can give them a try at home and post them on Instagram, tag us, because I want to see what you guys tried out. So I'm excited because I usually when I cook, I taste everything to make sure it's good, but I was not able to taste as I made this. So we'll see how it goes. And all of these are healthy. You guys know we're all about health and wellness over here. So yeah, let's give this a shot. And guys, don't roast us about these plastic straws. My mom had these so long ago, so that's why we're using them. But we are aware about the planet and the animals. Even she knows everything, right?
Yeah.
You know we're not supposed to use straws, right? Yeah,
We throw them to the garbage.
Yeah, we throw them to the garbage, but we normally don't buy them. These are so old. We're just trying to, use them and then throw them out and that's it. We're not going to buy them again. We actually don't buy plastic. We have a water filter at home. You guys should do that as well. So this is the first one.
Hey, why does it have to be in my cup?
So, ¿quién? Oh, because I wanted your cute cup. So, ¿quién quiere probarlo primero? Cheers, guys.
Tengo que adivinar.
Sí, pero también di si te gusta. Yo no me ofendo,
Riquísimo, me gustó, me encantó. Tiene banana de ley.
Guys, you know what's funny? I forgot what they have inside, so
Con
espinaca. I'm gonna have to look at my book because I could even guess because I forgot what they have. A ver, ¿qué dijiste?
Banano.
No te estoy diciendo si está bien o no, solo estoy escuchando.
Espinaca.
Okay.
Appium.
Time is running.
Time is running.
Manzana.
Okay, a lo último
I don't
digo.
know.
Okay, Madeline, are you ready?
The chili's pretty good.
What?
Yeah, está rico. Yeah.
Try it again.
Yeah, está rico. Wow.
Guys, do this at home with your kids, please. So you liked it? What, do you drink it on a regular basis?
Ahora,
I don't know what that means.
Would you tell mom to make it like for one day, then another day?
Yeah?
Yeah. Okay.
It tastes like banana.
So, ¿qué piensas que tiene?
está rico. Me
I'm
gusta.
so shocked, guys. She liked it.
I still don't know.
Okay, so I'm gonna taste it, then I'll tell you guys everything it has, okay? Sabe a puro banano. What? It tastes just like banana.
I told you.
Pues
I
no.
loved it. It's a party in my mouth.
Tenemos una buena noticia a la mami. Que Madeline va a empezar a comer vegetales. ¿Sabes por qué? ¿Quieren saber qué tiene? Tiene un vaso de espinaca.
¿Qué?
Tiene un vaso de agua, media manzana, un banano
¿Qué?
y medio vaso de mango con fresa y peach. Guys, she's drinking it. I'm so happy. We'll get my parents' reaction too.
Oh my god, I'm so happy.
Wow, sacamos algo bueno de este video.
Ya.
So happy. So happy. I'm proud of you.
Mommies and daddies out there, even sisters, try this for your little ones, please. It's important for them to get their vitamins in. I don't care if they don't like it. You can make it fun for them. You can make a drink for them, and they will drink it. She is living proof. She hates certain vegetables, yet look at her now. Cheers. This is drink number 2. Cheers. ¿Qué no quiero probar? Ah, no mires.
Me.
Todo ella.
You?
Ya.
Okay, ready? I'm scared.
Uy.
Good too.
It's
Bueno,
good?
tienes que
¿A
decir
qué
la verdad
sabe?
si te gusta.
A little bit like banana too.
También. ¿Cuál es mejor, este o el primero?
This one.
Oh, she like.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah,
guys.
that
So far she likes this one more.
A little sour one.
Métete en la cámara.
Sí, me gustó más ese.
Okay, so they both like the first one more.
No sé. Sabe raro.
Okay, this one they're not the biggest fan, but it's still drinkable. Okay.
No, sabe nada, pero no me gusta. So,
Okay, I'm gonna try.
I liked it.
un poquito sí, pero no.
Hey.
Okay, this is weird. This tastes even more like banana. It's like espumoso, como se
Sí.
dice. It's like very spongy, the texture. I think that's what they don't like.
Yeah, that's what we like.
I don't even know what it has.
Me neither.
Okay, ready?
Ya.
Ready para decirles?
Okay.
Un vaso de leche de almendra, una banana, mitad de vaso de fresa. Nadie supo la fresa.
No, es que le tete.
Y un vaso de espinaca.
Ah,
Entonces yo creo que lo que más sintieron fue
Fue como
la
la
banana
y
y
la
la,
almendra.
y la leche de almendra. So guys, honestly, it's still good. Give this one a shot
sí,
too.
pero más me gustó el otro.
It's still good. It's just that you guys can figure out which one you like more. They love the first one, so for sure right now, guys, you have to know you have to try the first one. It's amazing.
It doesn't look.
I am personally excited about the third one.
Them.
Look at her. Look at her go. Guys,
Está
she
rico,
didn't eat dinner just because she knew we were doing this video. She was like, I have to be, you know, with my tummy open so I can eat, right?
I don't like chicken nuggets, but when I fast, I took a very long time so I could get starving again.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Cheers to smoothie number 3. And guys, I'm calling them smoothies because as you can see with the ingredients, they're a mixture of fruits and veggies. So it's not just a green juice and it's not just a fruit smoothie. It's a combination of both, which I think is great because you should daily be having fruit servings and veggie
This
servings.
one, don't tell me there's tea on it.
No. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, I'm scared.
I remember what I put in
Me
this
da
one.
miedo.
I remember what I put.
Ay, bebé, qué leche.
¿Qué? ¿Sabe mal?
No, pero.
Okay, I don't think he liked it.
Me neither.
Me de manzana. Un poquito banano. Canela. Maybe avena.
So this is a second choice for now. Okay, ready?
Nope.
Don't be scared.
Dale.
Just a little.
Solo pruébales.
That tastes like a little salty.
Tiene que ser.
I promise I didn't put salt. Guys, I was excited about this one.
At
Okay.
the end, it's like a little spicy.
Oh, it's spicy.
Así que.
Okay, she's just washing that down because it was spicy at the end.
No, no me gusta.
Nope.
I think I will drink that all.
Okay, guys, this one was supposed to be the apple pie smoothie, which I was excited about, but
You
you know what I think it is? I don't like the nutmeg. It has nutmeg. No te gusta, ¿cierto?
Okay.
Mine is this one is the third right now. It's not the best.
Nah,
Okay, este tiene.
not a fan of it.
Not a fan. But guys, try
Not
it.
a fan of this.
You might like it. Okay.
Ya, me echó.
Tiene una banana, una manzana. No supo
Yo
manzana.
te dije banana, manzana.
Una banana, una manzana, mitad vaso de leche,
Ah,
un poquito de canela y un poquito de nutmeg, que es otro polvo.
entonces.
How to read. Yeah.
Espero que nos guste, que el mejor sea para el último. Hopefully the best is for last. Hopefully.
Yeah, because it looks so
A
good.
ver,
Okay,
¿quién
guys,
más?
cheers.
Tú, ven, Víctor. Vente.
¿Quién de primero, yo?
No.
Creo que es mi número 1.
Sí, sí.
Para mí.
Tuyo, todo. Ya.
Nope.
No. Cuando ella hace esa cara es que no. Yo creo que vas a adivinar.
My favorite.
No. Oh my god. Ay,
Sorry, pero no me gustó. Ay, dame.
Sorry.
Oh my. Okay, this is how you can see the different types of taste. There's people who will love it, people who
Uy,
won't
ese es mi
like
número
it.
uno.
So you might as well just try them all, guys. Get your family in on
Ni
it.
sé
Try
qué
them all.
tiene. Maybe avena, pero yo no sé qué tiene.
Sí, tiene avena.
Solo sentí,
¿No
no
te
sé.
gustó avena? I would have this for dinner.
Did you put ice on it? It's kind of a little too cold.
Not in pies.
Oh,
Este
Quiero ver.
tiene un cuarto de un vaso de avena, un vaso de leche, una banana,
Ah.
una cucharada de miel y un poquito de canela. Esto literalmente puede ser una cena.
¿Qué?
It's good. My favorite was the oatmeal.
No, este es el mío. También.
No, just show both
No,
of you guys.
solo-
Both of you guys was the first one.
Este es el primero mío ya.
Okay, I'm glad we did this. I would recommend for everybody to do this with their family, even if it's not for a video. Do it so you guys can encourage each other to drink healthier, to have enough servings of fruit and vegetable a day, and
Yummy.
just to get to know what your preference is. Obviously, we all have different tastes and things, and guys, if you don't like salads, it does not mean you cannot be having your servings of veggies. There's other options out there, and I would definitely recommend to drink your veggies and fruits if you cannot eat them. Ese es el favorito de Madeline.
Delicioso.
Tiene que decir cuál le gusta.
Oiga, pero deliciosos.
No, pues no todos, algunos no. Ese no tanto, ¿no?
No tanto, pero me gustó. Oiga, no, me gustaron todos.
¿Sí?
Este un poquito, pero está bueno.
Madeline le encantó el que tiene. Y tiene espinaca y de todo.
Ay, tan linda, te felicito, mi amor, vas bien.
Hay que decirle a la mami que se lo haga.
¿Cuál le gusta? ¿Quiere que decir cuál? Sí, guys.
Sacar. Hizo la misma cara de Vale.
A mí, ese es mi favorito.
A ver, papi todos y mami ninguno. Ese menos.
Ese es el mío.
¿O sí?
Yo lo-
Ninguno de
Digo, ¿pero cuál fue?
I think I'm gonna drink this for snack
I
today.
have to thank you guys. We're up to 100 subscribers.
Oh, yeah.
And I want to say
Oh, yeah.
thank you so much to everybody who has subscribed. It's been 30 days will be tomorrow where I make a month on YouTube, and we're up to 101 subscribers right now. And I want to thank everybody who supported me. A lot of people.
Yay! Bye.
So I just wanted to say a big thank you to everybody who has subscribed, who has supported from
Thank
the
you so
start. And
Gracias.
honestly, like I always say this, but it's the strangers you meet online who are your biggest support. So thank you to everybody. And with that being said, if you are not subscribed, guys, please subscribe right now. Hit the bell button because we will be doing lots of health videos, lots of challenges, family stuff, and lifestyle things. Yeah, we'll have a good combination of different videos, but always my channel's main topic is health, whether that's physical health or mental health. So those are going to be the main videos that we're talking about here. But of course, we do like to do fun stuff. Like today was a health video, and you guys didn't even realize it because we tried to make it fun, you know? So today was a health video, but we tried to do it in a fun way. So now we're going to show you guys our hamster because he got a new ball today. He's walking around the whole house. It's actually pretty cute. Oh, he's right here, guys.
Hey, no! Come back, you silly mouse.
Just let him do his thing. Let him do his thing.
Yeah, let him run like an angel. Actually, fly. Oh, fruit. Sister, how about fruit? They can see clearly. Tell the story.
So if you're drinking one of these, and of course they all had a banana, you can do two things. If you're just drinking it to get like your veggie portion in, you can either eliminate the banana from the recipe, use half instead of a whole banana, or if you're doing it like me, like for example the oatmeal one, I'm gonna do it for a dinner. I'm literally gonna have that as my dinner because it's good enough to be a dinner on its own. So then I wouldn't worry about the banana calories because that's part of my dinner. That is my dinner. You shouldn't be drinking this, you know, if you're trying to lose weight just alone with the banana and everything, because it could be high in calorie. Unless you use half a banana, that's fine, or if you eliminate the banana, that's fine too. I will be having another video coming up with all green juices. They're not going to have any fruits, no bananas. So those will be the type of juices that you can just drink without thinking about. You don't have to think about the calories. You don't have to think about anything. You can just drink them. I mean, these are just more of like, they keep you full and they can serve as a meal replacement, or for somebody who's just trying to build up their body, you know, they're trying to get in that vitamins inside. This is perfect for them. But for somebody who's trying to lose weight, I wouldn't recommend drinking this on the daily because it does have a full banana, and a full banana has basically the same calories as a chocolate. I'm not saying it has crazy amounts of calories, but it has about like 100 something calories, and to drink your calories is not the best. So that's why I would use it as a meal replacement if it is for myself, somebody who wants to lose weight. Either way, it's 100% healthy, guys. This has no like added sugars, nothing. Like, it's way better to buy your green juices than to buy like a naked juice or something that are like with so many preservatives added, so many chemicals, so many sugars added. I'd rather you guys make this at home and drink it. I would say for kids, it's perfectly fine for them to drink it with the full banana because they don't really have to watch their calories. And I'm literally just so happy that my sister ended up loving it because now she can have her greens. Like, I don't remember the last time she had greens. Literally, without even trying, I found a solution today. Doing this video, I found a solution for her, and I'm excited to see her drink that juice on the daily. So yeah, comment down below if you guys try these. Tag me on Instagram if you guys try them and post a picture about it, and we will see you guys soon.